Today I am talking about 1800 track drag. Getting into any type of accident can be terrifying and dangerous, but when you are in a passenger vehicle and get into an accident with a commercial truck like an 18-wheeler, the result can be catastrophic. Simply considering the size difference between these two types of vehicle is enough for you to understand the difference in the accident between these two types of vehicle in enough for you. But the reality is that the difference go far beyond the physics of the crash. When you file a claim with a commercial insurance policy, you will quickly come to recognize that the process is far more complicated than a passenger vehicle insurance claim. Contact 1800 injured to connect with a truck accident attorney today. 1800 injured is an attorney and medical referral service. Our team is available to connect you with a truck accident lawyer as soon as possible, who is ready to take your case and help you fight for the money that you truly deserve. After a serious accident like this, the last thing that you should need to do is try to navigate the complexity of these part of insurance claim and the extensive requirement and requests that will factor into determining things such as fault, cars and more. Truck drivers are held to a very high standard in the United States, starting with a commercial driver license and extending to things like driving hour restriction, classification for certain cargo types and more. Read more below to get a general sense of the difference between a truck accident insurance claim and a passenger vehicle accident claim. Contact us as soon as possible to be connected with truck accident lawyers for a free consultation. During the consultation, the attorney can provide you with even more clarity and specific advice for your situation. The sooner you are working with a lawyer, the sooner you can focus on your recovery without being overwhelmed by this complex legal process. Filing a commercial truck accident claim is complicated. After an accident with a tractor, trailer or semi-truck, you can expect a range of difference when compared to a commercial accident claim or other personal injury claims and process. This stems from the fact that a large commercial truck poses a more significant risk of serious injuries, and accident cases often have many more damages to amount for. Commercial motor vehicle policies have high limits and many more regulations and requirements, all of which can benefit a victim vehicle working with an experienced truck accident lawyer but can quickly overwhelm them if they are on their own. The key to understanding what to expect during this claims process is to understand the major difference between consumer and commercial insurance policies and some of the specific regulation pertaining to truck drivers. The following are just a few examples, but one you can connected with a attorney through 1800 injured, you will be able to learn for more in greater details as it pertains specifically to your case. High policy limits. Truck pose a bigger threat than passenger vehicle simply because of the enormous difference in size between big rigs and passenger vehicle that they share the road with. In addition, trucks are carrying large amount of valuable cargo and are on the road far more than average private vehicle. These factors and more lead to many commercial insurance policies having coverage of $1 million or more. The good news is that a higher policy limit may mean that the compensation you deserve is within the standard limits, but this does not mean that your third party insurance claim will go any smoother. Insurance companies want to save as much money as possible, high limit or not. More regulation. Since truck drivers are on the road much more than private drivers and are carrying enormous load in massive vehicle across long distances, there are many more regulations that a truck driver must adhere to. This begins with their CDL but goes beyond that into strict maintenance schedules, driving limits, and cargo restrictions such as weight and material. Each of these regulations and requirements introduce an additional factor that could contribute to determining fault in the accident but require the victim to take an in-depth look at all of available information. At the accident scene, the responding police officer will perform an investigation into what they believe the cause of accident was, but large truck accident require a deeper look into the driver logs to gather all relevant information.